Here in the video, we will share the details for the Cookie Run Kingdom error code 0. The error sometimes appears as just the code 0 with no message, while other times it reads, "Failed to connect to server, 0 tap OK to try again." As per our research, this error comes when players try to open the game. According to our research, this error is likely related to network connectivity issues. It may happen if your internet connection is unstable or if the game's servers are temporarily having trouble. First, check if your device is properly connected to the internet. If not, connect it and try opening the game again. If your device is already connected, try disconnecting it from the internet. Wait a few seconds, then reconnect and check if the error still comes. If the issue persists, try shutting down your device. If you're using a Wi-Fi network, reboot your internet router as well. After that, restart your device and try launching the game again. If the error still appears, check if you need to update the game or your device's operating system. If an update is available, install it and see if this fixes the issue. If none of the previous steps work, try connecting your device to a different network and see if this helps with the error.